Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new IPSY Extra for June of 2026. This, you guys, is the IPSY Extra. You might be wondering, why is it not coming in a box? Well, that's because it comes in a bag now. They finally brought the bags back, and instead of the bags being in the box with everything, they actually put everything in the bag, so it just feels like a completed experience because your goodies are actually coming in the bag and the bag isn't separate. So I actually really love that. And this is like a Marilyn Monroe month. It actually has her signature down here, and then the bag says MM100 Marilyn Monroe, which is cute. And I really like this bag because it's got all the kisses on it and it's pink and it's just super cute. So very excited. So if you want to see what is in here, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe because it's been a long time. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Really quick, I have been reviewing some products now on my channel. I did just recently review the new Makeup Forever foundation, if you guys want to check that out. And I did review the new e.l.f. bronzer and blush sticks. And I did recently film the new Summer Fridays bronzer blush balm thing. Bronzer butter balm, that's what it's called. So check out those videos, but this is what you came for. So let's open it up and see what I got. First things first, our little magazine, Blend the Rules. And we have a sneak peek for next month. We have First Aid Beauty, Drunk Elephant, and Dry Bar. So there we go. Okie dokie. First thing in here are some brushes. This is from the brand Lucky Chick, and these brushes look pretty cute. They're like ombre. So here are the brushes. Let me just get that in focus. Cute. So we have like a little brush, a blender brush, and like a, whatever this is called, a large shader, medium angled shading, and tapered blending. So cute. And it kind of goes with the bag. Okay, we love a theme. All right. And if you guys would like to get IPSY, I do have a referral that is down below. If you guys would like to sign up, you can do it through my link. Then we have from Glow Recipe, which I love Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow Dew Shield Hydrating Fluid, SPF 30. So this is a sunscreen, which is actually perfect because, you know, it's summertime now. And here it is. I just love their packaging. This is like the most perfect color ever. Okay. And of course the iconic watermelon scent. I'm putting this over my bronzer that I had on my hand. But yeah. Smells amazing. Love it so much. Love it. Glow Recipe. So great product. Great product. Next thing in here is from Toy Factory. This is the Nia Lip Niacinamide Infused Lip Liner Duo. I have the shade Nude Protocol and Deep Seek. So let's open this up and give these some swatches. I am always here for a lip liner. I use lip liners every time I do my lipstick. I feel like they're essential just to get the lip good and going, get it lined so it's perfect. I don't know, I just love my lip liners. I don't ever declutter lip liners, I don't think. Like, they are always just in my collection. Okay, come on. Well, I got one out. There we go. So here are the lip liners in their packaging. Super cute. So we got the nude one, very creamy, gorgeous color. And then here is Deep Sleek, another gorgeous color. It's like not focusing, I'm so sorry, but here you go. Those are the shades. Love that. And then we have from Tower 28. This is a lip jelly in the shade XOXO. Gossip Girl. Not Gossip Girl, it's just XOXO, but you know. Oh, wow. That is, okay, it's not showing on camera how like fluorescent. Like, it's so bright, this color. Let's just see what this looks like applied. I do have chapstick on, but it has no tint. That's just cute. It's very slick. Cute. Oh, let me swatch it on the back of my hand so you can also get like a color situation. So that's the shade. Boom. Okie dokie. And then last but not least, we have this palette here. This is the Moon Slice Beauty palette. The brand is Moon Slice Beauty, I guess. This is the Celestial Crush eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. So, packaging. And the shades, which is super cute. I actually really like these shades. Let's see how they swatch. Let's just do this milky shade. I'm gonna do it here where I don't have any product. They actually feel nice. Look at that. That's a pigmented shade. Let's do Teddy, which is this purple. Again, actually feels pretty nice. Let's do Peony, which is this like shimmer shade. That looks pretty. All right. I mean, the swatches could be a little better. Let's do one more. Let's do Starry. Let's do it over here. I know you can see it. I mean, let me know if you want me to do a video just kind of showing you the palette, because I can do that. I used to do that a long time ago where I would like take the palette that's in this month's bag and like do swatches and do eyeshadow looks and whatever, so I can do that if you guys want me to. I also have the new Natasha Denona tan palette coming in. It'll be here Tuesday, which I'm so excited about because I haven't had a new Natasha Denona palette in a long time, and those are my shades. Those are my tan chocolatey shades, and I'm really excited. So look forward to that, plus like a whole bunch of other stuff that I have coming in. I'm very excited. But anyways, I guess that is it for this video. I love that they come in a bag and it's not just separate. I don't know if this is gonna completely protect things like palettes in the future, since there's not a lot of bubble wrap situation going on. So hopefully we don't have a lot of broken palettes. That would really suck. But anyways, I guess that is it. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Let me know what you want to see from me in the future, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!